Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Weekly Current Affairs Quiz. Let's start today's session. The first question is, what material was used for the recent discovered world's oldest 3D map? Granite, sandstone, marble, or limestone? The correct answer is option B, sandstone. Researchers discovered a 13,000-year-old three-dimensional map at the Segognol 3 rock shelter in the Paris Basin. The quartzite sandstone megaclast shows a miniature landscape challenging previous notions about early mapping techniques. This discovery surpasses the oldest known 3D map, a Bronze Age slab from 3000 years ago. Next, which year was the warmest on record as per WMO? 2023, 2024, 2025, or 2022? The correct answer is option B, 2024. World Economics Forum Global Risk Report 2025 lists extreme weather events as the top long-term global risk for the second consecutive year. Extreme weather ranks as the second most severe short-term global risk, affecting 28 countries, up from 24 last year. The report, released ahead of the WEF annual meeting in Davos, emphasizes climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. Next, which was the first submarine commissioned under Project 75? INS Khanderi, INS Karanj, INS Kalvari, or INS Vela? The correct answer is option C, INS Kalvari. The Indian Navy commissioned 3 frontline combatants into its fleet: INS Nilgiri, the lead ship of the Project 17A class frigates; INS Surat, the fourth and final ship of the Project 15B class destroyers; and INS Vakshi, the sixth and final submarine of the Scorpion class project. Prime Minister participated in the event, noting that it is for the first time that the tri-commissioning of a destroyer, frigate, and submarine was being done. Next, who has launched the Cybersecurity Grand Challenge? Ministry of Home Affairs and Niti Aayog, Ministry of Science and Technology and ISRO, Ministry of Defense and the Indian Army, or Ministry of Technology and Data Security Council of India? The correct answer is option D, Ministry of Technology and Data Security Council of India. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology launched the second edition of Cybersecurity Grand Challenge, that is CSGC 2.0, and being implemented by Data Security Council of India. The initiative focuses on strengthening the nation's cybersecurity competencies and capability building in key areas, paving the way for a more secure digital future. Most notably, Cybersecurity Grand Challenge boasts a substantial increase in total prize money of INR 6.85 crores from INR 3.2 crores compared to its first edition. Next, what is the primary aim of exercise Devil Strike conducted by the Indian Army? Conducting humanitarian assistance missions, testing new technologies, enhancing combat preparedness and operational capabilities, or expanding international military alliances? The correct answer is option C, enhancing combat preparedness and operational capabilities. Exercise Devil Strike is a military exercise conducted by the Indian and Indian Air Force. The primary objective of enhancing combat preparedness and operation capabilities. It involves rigorous training, simulation of battlefield scenarios, and the use of modern tactics and equipment to ensure readiness for various operational challenges. This exercise underscores the Army's commitment to maintaining high levels of preparedness. Next, with which country has India signed a deal for the export of BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles? Bangladesh, Indonesia, Ukraine, or Philippines? The correct answer is option B, Indonesia. Indonesia is set to ink a deal for the India-made BrahMos missile. The Philippines has already inducted a naval variant of BrahMos, and Vietnam and Malaysia are showing interest in the medium-range missile. This is how the posturing and actions of an assertive China is boosting demand for BrahMos missiles. Next, the Pavana River, recently in the news, flows in which of the following states of India? Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, or Uttar Pradesh? The correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. The National Green Tribunal expressed satisfaction with the Pavana River Action Plan and directed the RRC to finalize its implementation timeline within 3 months. The Pavana River is a notable river crossing the city of Pune in Maharashtra state of India. The river originates south of Lonavala from the Western Ghats. Next, who has developed the Bhargavastra micro-missile system? Bharat Dynamics Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, DRDO, or Economic Explosives Limited? The correct answer is option D, Economic Explosives Limited. India has successfully tested its first indigenously developed micro-missile system designed to counter the growing threat of swarm drones. Named Bhargavastra, the multi-layered counter-drone system was tested at the Gopalpur Sea Ward firing ranges on 12th January and 13th January. The system successfully hit designated virtual targets over 2.5 kilometers away, showcasing a cost-effective and innovative solution to neutralize large-scale drone attacks. Next, the Nag Mark 2 anti-tank guided missile has been developed by which organization? DRDO, ISRO, Indian Ordnance Factory, or BEL? The correct answer is option A, DRDO. India successfully conducted field trials of the indigenously developed Nag Mark 2 anti-tank guided missile at Pokhran Field Firing Range in Rajasthan. It is a third-generation all-weather fire and forget anti-tank guided missile with lock-on after-launch capability, allowing it to autonomously track and engage targets. Next, which glacier is the Z-mode tunnel built under? Tachibas Glacier, Siachen Glacier, Gangotri Glacier, or Pindari Glacier? The correct answer is option A, Thajiwas Glacier. The Prime Minister inaugurated the Z-mode tunnel aimed at improving all-weather connectivity between Ladakh and Kashmir. The 6.5 km Z-mode tunnel, located at 8,650 feet in Ganderbal, Kashmir, bypasses avalanche-prone zones on the Srinagar-Leh highway. It was built under the Thajiwas Glacier and the tunnel has been renamed Sonamarg Tunnel. Next, which country will host the 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of Parliaments of Commonwealth countries? USA, India, France, or Japan? The correct answer is option B, India. India will host the 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of Parliaments of Commonwealth countries in 2026. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla announced at the CSPOC Standing Committee meeting in Guernsey. The event will focus on the use of artificial intelligence and social media in parliamentary processes. Next, where was India's first cable-stayed railway bridge inaugurated? Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, or Jammu and Kashmir? The correct answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. It is India's first cable-stayed rail bridge located in Jammu and Kashmir's Riyasi district. It is part of the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla Rail Link project. The bridge spans 725.5 meters with a 331-meter high pylon, built to withstand winds up to 213 km per hour and support trains traveling at 100 km per hour. It utilizes 96 cables of varying lengths and an innovative hybrid foundation to stabilize the mountain slopes. Next, where is the Developed India Young Leaders Dialogue being organized? Bhopal, Haridwar, New Delhi, Nashik. The correct answer is option C, New Delhi. On the occasion of National Youth Day commemorating the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi participated in the Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue 2025 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. He engaged with 3,000 dynamic young leaders from across India. Next, which rare animal species is specifically associated with Simlipal National Park? Melanistic tiger, snow leopard, red panda, or Asiatic lion? The correct answer is option A, melanistic tiger. In a major crackdown against hardcore poachers and illegal traders of wild animal articles, the Special Enforcement Wing of Simlipal South Wildlife Division has arrested 4 persons from Tentula and Balighat village of Udala Police Station limits under Baripada Forest Division and seized a juvenile tiger skin and nail from their possession. Next, under which act has the government banned nimesulide for veterinary use? Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, Environment Protection Act 1986, or Indian Veterinary Act 1965. The correct answer is option B, Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940. Vultures, often referred to as nature's sanitation workers, play a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem health. The population of the white-rumped vulture, once abundant in India, has dropped by over 99% in the past few decades, primarily due to the widespread use of harmful non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs in veterinary medicine. In a bid to curb this crisis, the Indian government has implemented a ban on nimesulide, a commonly used NSAID, for veterinary purposes. Next, what is the expected fitment factor under the 8th Pay Commission? 2.57, 2.86, 3, or 2.75? The correct answer is option B, 2.86. The Union Cabinet has approved the 8th Pay Commission set to revise salaries for nearly 50 lakh central government employees ahead of Budget 2025. The 8th Pay Commission will not only lead to salary hikes for central government employees and result in an adjustment in the dearness allowance. Next, what is the key technological feature of the Nag Mark 2 ATGM? Fire and forget capability, manual guidance system, infrared imaging seeker without lock-on capability, or radar guided system? The correct answer is option A, fire and forget capability. India successfully conducted field trials of the indigenously developed Nag Mark 2 anti-tank guided missile at Pokhran Field Firing Range in Rajasthan. It is a third generation all-weather fire and forget anti-tank guided missile with lock-on after launch capability, allowing it to autonomously track and engage targets. Next, what is one of the main objectives of the National Turmeric Board? Promoting wheat cultivation, increasing the yield and export of turmeric, researching hybrid rice varieties, or boosting fisheries production. The correct answer is option B, increasing the yield and export of turmeric. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry recently inaugurated the National Turmeric Board to be headquartered in Nizamabad with Palle Ganga Reddy as its first chairperson at New Delhi. Farmers growing turmeric, known as golden spice, are spread across Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Meghalaya, and others. NTB will help to boost their incomes and also give impetus to increase production, especially in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, where there is a lot of potential. Next, which year marks the 150th Foundation Day of India Meteorological Department? 2023, 2024, 2025, or 2026? The correct answer is option C, 2025. Established in 1875, the India Meteorological Department completed 150 years of service on 15th January. To mark the occasion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Mission Mausam. The mission will aim to upgrade the capabilities of India's weather department in forecasting, modeling, and dissemination. Mission Mausam will have a budget of Rs 2,000 crore for the first 2 years of its implementation. The last question is, where is the AI summit which PM Modi will attend being hosted? Berlin, Paris, Brussels, or Geneva? The correct answer is option B, Paris. France will be hosting the AI summit on February 10 to 11, a summit for action as we call it. This summit will allow for an international conversation on AI. There will be Prime Minister Modi who will move up to a major visit in our country as we want to forge a dialogue with all powers on AI. The French president emphasized the importance of AI as a global conversation, stating that it will include countries such as the US, China, and India, as well as the countries from the Gulf, which have significant roles in developing and regulating AI technologies. That's all in today's session. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.